Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We are absolutely thrilled to have you with us today as we step into the dynamic and exciting world of commercial construction and design. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders is a premier construction and design firm specializing in crafting exceptional residential and commercial spaces throughout the vibrant landscapes of Southern California. We are deeply rooted in Los Angeles and Orange counties, and our mission is to share our extensive expertise, empowering business owners with the knowledge to create spaces that are not only functional and beautiful, but also powerful tools for driving success. Today we are tackling a subject that is absolutely critical to the success of any brick-and-mortar business: how to design a retail space that attracts customers. In today's competitive market, a physical store is so much more than just a place to house products. It is a brand embassy, a stage for customer experience, and a powerful marketing tool. The design of your retail space is the first and often most lasting impression you make on a potential customer. It has the power to draw people in, guide their journey, encourage them to linger, and ultimately convert them into loyal patrons. A poorly designed space can do the exact opposite. It can deter customers, create confusion, and negatively impact your bottom line. In this extended, comprehensive, and truly detailed video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to designing a retail space that not only attracts customers, but also keeps them coming back. We'll break down the entire design process, from the fundamental principles of retail psychology to the practical execution of layout, lighting, and branding. We'll explore how to create a captivating storefront, design an intuitive customer journey, use lighting to set the mood and highlight products, and select materials that are both beautiful and durable enough for a commercial environment. Drawing from our years of experience designing and building successful retail spaces in the competitive markets of Los Angeles and Orange County, we'll provide insider tips, real-world examples, and a strategic framework to help you create a space that truly resonates with your target audience and drives business success. Whether you're opening your first boutique or remodeling an existing store, this video will equip you with the knowledge to turn your physical space into your most powerful asset. Before we unlock the secrets of effective retail design, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you gain access to a wealth of valuable insights, practical advice, and behind-the-scenes knowledge designed to help business owners and entrepreneurs succeed. Your engagement is what allows us to continue creating this in-depth content. The design of your retail space is a silent salesperson, working 24/7 to communicate your brand's story and guide customer behavior. A successful design isn't just about aesthetics, it's a carefully orchestrated experience rooted in an understanding of retail psychology. Let's start with the foundational principles that influence how customers interact with a physical space. The decompression zone. This is the first 5 to 15 feet inside your store. Customers use this area to transition from the outside world and make a quick judgment about your store. It should be open, uncluttered, and welcoming. Avoid placing critical product or information here, as it's often missed. The invariant right, the right turn tendency. The vast majority of shoppers, over 90% in North America, naturally turn to the right upon entering a store. This makes the wall to the immediate right of the entrance your most valuable piece of real estate, your power wall, creating a clear path. Customers need a clear, intuitive path to follow. A well-defined circular path, typically counterclockwise, encourages them to see more of the store. Dead ends and confusing layouts can cause frustration and lead to customers leaving. Speed bumps and merchandising. Strategically placed displays or speed bumps along the main path can slow customers down, break up long aisles, and draw attention to specific products. The butt brush effect. Shoppers, especially women, will avoid entering a tight aisle where they might be brushed from behind by another customer. Ensure aisles are wide enough to be comfortable. Sensory engagement. A great retail space engages multiple senses: sight, lighting, color, sound, music, smell, scent, and touch, materials, product interaction. Your storefront is your 24/7 advertisement. It's what makes a potential customer stop, look, and decide to walk inside. Window displays. Your windows are a stage. They should tell a story, showcase your best products, and reflect your brand's personality. Keep them clean, well lit, and change them regularly to keep them fresh and interesting. Clear and compelling signage. Your main sign should be clearly visible, easy to read, and consistent with your brand identity. The materials, font, and lighting of your sign all contribute to the customer's first impression. An inviting entrance. The entrance should be open, accessible, and welcoming. A recessed entrance can create a nice transition space. Ensure the door is easy to open and that the path is clear. Exterior finishes and architecture. The materials and colors of your storefront, from the paint to the awnings, should align with your brand. In areas with specific architectural guidelines like some parts of Los Angeles or Orange County, your design must also respect the neighborhood character. Lighting. Use exterior lighting to make your storefront stand out after dark, highlight architectural features and create a sense of safety. Designing the decompression zone, keep it open. Resist the urge to clutter this space with merchandise. Let it be a welcoming transition. Subtle branding. A welcome mat with your logo, a subtle scent, or the first notes of your store's playlist can begin to immerse the customer in your brand experience. A glimpse of what's ahead. While you don't want to overwhelm them, the decompression zone should offer an enticing view into the store, hinting at what they'll find. Once a customer is inside, your layout must guide them effortlessly through the space, encouraging discovery and maximizing product exposure. Choosing the right grid layout, common in grocery stores and pharmacies. It features long aisles in a grid pattern. It's efficient for stores with a lot of merchandise but can feel uninspired. Loop, or racetrack, layout. This creates a defined main path that guides customers in a loop around the store, exposing them to various departments along the way. It's great for controlling the customer journey. Think of an IKEA store. Free flow layout, more common in boutiques and specialty stores. It uses a more organic layout with fixtures and displays arranged at angles to create a relaxed, exploratory experience. It encourages browsing but can be less efficient for traffic flow. Pro tip. For most specialty retail, a hybrid approach often works best. A main loop for clear circulation with free flow areas for discovery. The key is to avoid dead ends. The power wall and speed bumps. Your power wall. This is where you make your first big impression. Feature new arrivals, high-margin products, or a compelling brand story on this wall. Use strong lighting and visuals. Strategic speed bumps. Use display tables, mannequins, or special fixtures to create points of interest along your main path. This slows customers down and encourages them to engage with products they might have otherwise walked past. Creating comfortable aisles. ADA. Compliance. First and foremost, ensure your aisles meet the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, requirements for accessibility, typically a minimum of 36 inches of clear width. Avoiding the butt brush effect. For main aisles, aim for a width of 48 inches or more to allow for comfortable browsing and two-way traffic. The sensory elements of your design are what create the mood and atmosphere of your store. A layered lighting scheme, the most powerful tool. Lighting is everything in retail. It guides the eye, highlights products, and creates an emotional response. Ambient lighting. This is the overall general illumination of the space. It should be bright enough to be welcoming and safe, but not harsh. Task lighting. This is focused light for specific tasks, such as lighting the checkout counter or fitting rooms. Accent or spotlighting. This is the magic wand of retail lighting. Use spotlights to highlight key products, displays, and your power wall. Accent lighting should be significantly brighter, 3 to 5 times, than the ambient light to draw the eye. Decorative lighting. Pendants or chandeliers can be used to add style, create a focal point, and help define a zone like a checkout area. Color temperature. The warmth or coolness of the light measured in Kelvin should match your brand. A luxury boutique might use warm, inviting light around 2,700 K to 3,000 K, while a sleek tech store might use cooler, crisper light, 4,000 K plus. Pro tip, invest in high-quality LED lighting. It's energy efficient, has a long lifespan, and offers excellent color rendering, which makes your products look their best. To discuss lighting design for your commercial space in Los Angeles or Orange County, contact us at Oceanfront Builders. You can reach us at 888-336-8586. Brand alignment. Your color palette should be a direct reflection of your brand identity. Emotional response. Colors evoke emotions. Blues and greens can be calming, while reds and oranges can be energetic and attention-grabbing. Guiding the eye. Use bold accent colors to draw attention to key areas like a feature wall or a checkout counter. Durability is key. For a commercial space, all materials must be highly durable and easy to clean. This is especially true for flooring. Commercial-grade LVP, porcelain tile, and polished concrete are excellent choices. Reflecting your brand. The materials you choose communicate your brand's values. Reclaimed wood might suggest sustainability and authenticity. polished concrete and metal might suggest a modern industrial aesthetic, creating a tactile experience. Incorporate a variety of textures to add depth and interest. A rough-hewn wood wall, a smooth metal fixture, a soft velvet curtain in a fitting room, these all contribute to the sensory experience. These are critical functional areas that significantly impact the customer's final impression. The checkout counter, the final impression location. The checkout should be easy to find, typically located along the main circulation path. Design, it should be well lit, organized, and clutter-free. There should be enough counter space for customers to place their items and personal belongings. Impulse buys, the area around the checkout is prime real estate for small impulse buy items. Branding, the wall behind the checkout counter is a great place for a prominent logo or brand statement. Fitting rooms, the moment of decision, comfort, and privacy. Fitting rooms should be spacious, private, and comfortable. Flattering. Lighting, this is crucial. Use warm, diffused lighting from multiple angles, not just overhead, to eliminate shadows and make customers look their best. High-quality mirrors. Use large, high-quality mirrors that don't distort. Amenities. Provide hooks, a small bench or stool, and enough space for customers to move around comfortably. Bringing your design to life requires navigating the practicalities of construction, especially in the regulated markets of Los Angeles and Orange County. Hiring a commercial contractor. Choose a licensed and insured general contractor with extensive experience in commercial tenant improvements and retail construction. They understand the specific codes, materials, and processes involved. Oceanfront Builders has a strong portfolio of commercial projects. You can contact us at info@oceanfront.builders to discuss your retail space. Navigating permits. Commercial projects require a different set of permits than residential ones. This typically involves submitting detailed plans for architectural, structural, MEP, and fire safety compliance. ADA compliance is a major focus of plan review and inspections for commercial spaces. Construction management. A good commercial contractor will manage all aspects of the construction, including coordinating trades, managing the schedule, ensuring quality control, and communicating with you and the city inspectors. Durability. The construction must use commercial-grade materials designed to withstand heavy use, from the flooring to the paint and fixtures. The ultimate goal is to create a physical space that is a seamless and powerful extension of your brand. Consistency is key. Every element, from the storefront sign to the price tags, the music, the lighting, and the materials, should work together to tell a consistent brand story. Flexibility and adaptability. Design your space with flexibility in mind. Use modular fixtures and displays that can be easily changed to accommodate new products or seasonal promotions. Integrate technology. Incorporate technology where it enhances the customer experience, such as digital displays, mobile checkout options, or interactive product information. Don't forget the Instagrammable moment. In today's social media-driven world, consider creating a unique, visually appealing spot in your store, where customers will want to take photos and share them online. This is powerful free marketing. Designing a retail space that attracts customers is a thoughtful and strategic process that blends art, psychology, and business acumen. By focusing on creating a captivating storefront, guiding customers on an intuitive journey, engaging their senses with effective lighting and materials, and ensuring a seamless, functional experience, you can transform your physical store into a powerful engine for growth and customer loyalty. At Oceanfront Builders, we understand that your commercial space is a critical part of your brand's success. We have extensive experience designing and building high-impact retail environments throughout Los Angeles and Orange counties. We are committed to helping business owners create spaces that not only look incredible but also perform beautifully. If you're planning to open a new store or remodel an existing one and need a partner who understands the art of retail design and the science of commercial construction, we encourage you to connect with us. Visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com to see our commercial portfolio, or call us directly at 888-336-8586 to schedule a consultation. Remember, your retail space is your brand's physical handshake with the world. Make it a firm, inviting, and unforgettable one. If you found this detailed guide to retail design helpful and informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into commercial and residential construction. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and may your business thrive.